Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is day 2, Wisconsin's blizzard, and what can I say? It's a blast. So we're gonna make the best of it. We got some shoveling to do, and we got a few recommendations you can do out here in Wisconsin's weather. Let's get to it. First thing on the list, you see a big snow pile. You gotta get in there and jump in it. Start making a snow fort. That's the best thing you gotta do. Get your nice shovel. Start digging. When you start digging, you start to find out we all really kids at heart, you know. Third thing you want to do, sit down, get your nice seat, grab your nice high quality H2O from the store, take a sip. Gotta go sled. Start shoveling. Start popping out. Hold the shovel. The easier it gets when the snow gets thicker. Because when you shovel less, you're gonna have a huge pile of snow. Huge amount of work you gotta put in. But the more you shovel, I think that might be the way to go. But man, am I gonna be sore after this. Catch you again next time, guys. See ya.